guys, the tech guys are back with a new video after a long time. Actually, we had our exams and they are finished just a few days back, and we are working on a project that is of a 3D web series which will be out soon. We'll be announcing the date after we have got everything done, and we'll also be showing you the trailer. So today in this video we have the unboxing of this thing right here, the TV speakers from F&D t-200x. So without wasting any time, let's check out this huge box. So now let's unbox this thing. Checking the box contents, you can see the attractive look of these speakers. Like they have multicolor LED on the subwoofer, and rest there's not much interesting things. Like you have the Bluetooth 4.0 and the multicolor LED and the USB, micro SD and all the slots, and the FM, even the FM that can store up to 100 stations, and the USB storage can support MP3 and WMA dual support systems. So now let's unbox this thing. See how it looks. Okay, so now let's check out the box contents. First, let's keep the box aside a bit. And so this is the remote that you get with the woofers, and here are the volume buttons and all the buttons that you require for controlling these speakers. Okay. So these are the speakers that you get with the woofer, and you can even connect, there are two of them, you can even connect them to make a sound bar to place it like this under your TV, or you can use them separately like this. And these are its wires. Okay. So this is another one. These are the wires and the manual that you require for the speaker. Let's keep this aside. Okay, it's heavy enough. So this is the main thing right here that we get, and yes, so that's the masterpiece. This is a subwoofer that you get with these speakers, and these speakers you can either keep them like this as a sound bar under your TV like this, okay, or you can keep like this, or you can keep them separately like this. Now let's keep this aside. And now let's have a look at its manual, user manual. It says that it has an 8-inch subwoofer for thumping the bass effect and the multicolor LED, that's all. And the system contents, the front panel keys. Now let's see the keys that we get over here. This is for the Bluetooth mode, and this is for next song, power on off, previous, next, play pause or scan for Bluetooth devices. See it as a Bluetooth 4.0. Checking its backside, here you get the jack in for the wires of the speakers. Here you get the bass and the treble, and here you get the power button, and this is the power cable. So without wasting any time, let's check how it goes and its audio capacity. So this is what the setup looks like after being connected. This is a subwoofer and these are the speakers. This is its stand, which I forgot to show in the first part of the video. These are its stand. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let's check it check out its sound. So these are the attractive multicolor LED lights that you get on the front part of the subwoofer, and you can change it using this option, the light option present right here. You have very different attractive modes, and if you press them fast, press this light button fast, you can even change its modes and like its continuation and all that, like something like this. So by double clicking it very fastly, you can change its mode, continuous mode, and with the button just opposite to it, you can change its brightness like this. So now let's check out its sound quality without wasting any further time. So let's play the NCS release of Faded Alan Walker. Okay, so this was its audio test, and its bass is amazing, and these speakers can give you a theater touch at your home, at your place, and you can feel the things vibrating because of the high amplitude, and it has Bluetooth 4.0, and these speakers can connect when you take out the stand to make a sound bar which you can mount just at the bottom of your TV to achieve amazing experiences while gaming on your gaming consoles or while watching movies and listening to songs. So that was it from our side. Hope you liked our video. Please help us reach us 200 subs as soon as possible, and like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.